back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really natural install with this V-part wig that I received from Beauty Forever. I love this unit because it is a yaki texture. This day was my first time installing, so I'm just going to break it down, showing you guys what I'm doing. The pack, and I popped it onto my head and I was in love with it immediately. This hair was so soft, beautiful, and I didn't dye it, I didn't cut into it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out the pack. So it does come with 4 clamps at the top and 3 combs on this unit, so the security is there, honey. I love the fact that it has these 4 clamps at the top because it does have like teeth, like combs, and then you open them up and then you just press them down as soon as you get the placement correct on your anchor braids, with the help of these combs on the side where you can just, you know, tuck them back. One thing I haven't done to this unit yet is curl it. I know my vision that I want to do with this unit, and it's actually doing some like flexi rods on. I have some exciting stuff in there for you guys. So I love you, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.